In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create knowledge manuals and SOPs in Zoho Learn. We'll turn your company policies and procedures into a clear, navigable knowledge base your team can trust. Start by planning the structure. In Zoho Learn, spaces act as top-level containers for departments such as HR, operations, or IT. Within each space, create manuals, which function like books collecting related content, such as HR policies or IT SOPs. Each individual procedure becomes an article, the page where the step-by-step guidance lives. If a manual spans several themes, you can optionally add chapters to group related articles. Sketch this hierarchy on paper or a whiteboard first. Deciding it up front makes everything easier to find later. Next, create your manual, the central repository for an SOP collection. From your Zoho Learn Hub, click the Add button and choose Manuals. Give it a clear name and a short description, for example, Customer Service SOPs, then decide whether it's private or belongs to a space like Operations, and click Create. Space manuals inherit access from the space and are easy to share with all members, while private manuals are not tied to a space and are shared only with specific people. A concise naming convention will save time as your library grows. With the manual ready, add your articles. Open the manual, select Add Article, and title the page with an action-focused name such as How to Onboard New Employees. Use the editor to document responsibilities, prerequisites, and the expected outcome. Format with headings, lists, checklists, and tables to improve readability. Embed images or video where a visual helps, and attach PDFs, diagrams, or flowcharts if they clarify a process. Use consistent headings and keywords so search works well across your library. When the content is complete, save and publish. Repeat this for each SOP you need in the manual. If the manual covers multiple related topics, organize with chapters. Create a chapter like Hiring Procedures, then move the relevant articles beneath it. This keeps long manuals scannable and reduces duplicate content, especially when multiple teams contribute. Collaboration is built in. Add contributors to co-author, rely on version history to track changes, and roll back if necessary, and keep works in progress as drafts. For critical SOPs, enable an approval workflow so designated reviewers sign off before publishing. This ensures accuracy and compliance without slowing your team. Finally, share your manuals with the team. From the manual's More Options menu, choose Share or Settings and assign the right privileges: Reader to view, Contributor to edit, or Admin to manage. If external stakeholders need access, publish through a portal or share a public link. Review permissions periodically to keep information secure and up to date.